Ano yun? What? Paano i-heal yun?
I think we're safe. Joel?
Ala ka!
Joel? Shit. Joel! Here.
Namumutla na si Joel, pre!
Get up, get up, get up!
Nauubusan siya ng
You gotta
dugo!
tell me what to do! Come on! You gotta get up! Joel!
Uy! Cute! Ay. Never mind.
This won't last very long.
Pre! Oy! Ba't mag-isa ka na lang, Ellie? Pre! Asan si Joel? Asan si Joel?
You'll just startle it.
Bakit mag-isa ka na lang? Ba't nasa'yo yung pana ni Joel? Oy, bakit maglalaro ako kay Ellie, pre? Asan si Joel? Pre, bakit si Ellie yung kinokontrol ko? Oy, asan niya?
There he is.
Nag-hunting ako ng food. Saan na ba pumunta yung deer? Ayun, yun.
Gotta be more quiet.
Ayun ba yung aanuhin ko? Nahuntingin ko? Hingal na hingal si Eddie, pre. Bakit nagpe-play ako as Ellie? Oh, Yuna, asan ka na, Yuna? Ang taas pala. Okay, baba. Wala.
Got you.
Yuna! Uy, ba't ko susuyuin yan? Wala akong ginawa. Umalis si Yuna. Wala na si Joel, pre! Ayaw gumana sa'yo. Try mo na isend sa Discord yung link. Saka hindi mo din siya agad nakukuha eh. Asan na ba?
Stupid.
Try nyo i-copy yung link nung clip tapos i-share nyo. Tapos, yeah, hindi din kasi lumalabas agad eh. Ako kasi lumabas na lang bigla. So, paikot-ikot ah.
Crap.
Ano ba tong deer na to? pinaikot-ikot.
Easy. Easy.
Bakit?
There you are.
Tumatakbo agad. Ay, sasalubungin ko dito. Kasi dito siya tumatakbo, di ba? Okay na yan, medyo... Wow, okay. Doon ako talo. May badge nga ako, pero... Doon ako natalo. Wala na, namatay na si Joel.
Steady.
Hook!
Got you. Crap, he's fast.
Dito, dito.
Easy. Easy.
Tumatakbo pa din siya. Saan ba pumunta? Dito ba? Ah, dito. Ah, sinira niya yung out of order. Okay lang, may badge naman ako, Ate Nomi. Okay lang. May badge ako. Ikaw wala kang badge. Ako
What is this
meron.
place? Oh, great. Everything's cool. This
Asan na
place is
yung
not
ano yung
creepy at
deer
all.
ko? Ay, yun, patay na. May pumatay na iba? Question mark? Ah, ako pala nakapatay. Tinamaan sa leeg.
Who's there? Come out!
15 years. Wow!
Hello?
That's good, ah.
We just want to talk.
Ah,
Any
sige!
sudden moves and I put one right between your eyes.
Baka
Ditto for
pinalaki
Bunny
ni
Boy over
Joel
there.
to. Sige, kayong dalawa.
What do you want?
Name's David.
David.
This here's my friend James. We're from a larger group. Women, children. We're all very, very hungry.
So am I. Women and children, all very hungry too.
Well, maybe we could trade you for some of that meat there. What do you need?
Ah, nanghihingi siya ng ano.
Weapons? Ammo? Clothes?
Medicine. Do you have any antibiotics?
We do.
Wait!
Back at the camp. You're welcome to follow us
I'm
back.
not following you anywhere.
Wait.
Buddy Boy can go get it. He comes back with what
Buhay
I need.
pa si
The deer
Joel?
is all yours. Anyone else shows up,
You put one right between my eyes.
that's right.
2 bottles of the penicillin in a syringe. Make it fast. Go on.
Wait, buhay pa si Joel! Kasi kailangan ni Ellie ng medicine eh.
I'll take that rifle.
Of course.
Wait, buhay pa si Joel. Yuna! Yuna! Yuna, I think buhay pa si Joel. Hindi pwedeng... Oo, hindi pwedeng mamamatay si Joel.
It's probably gonna be a while. You, mind if we take some shelter from the cold?
Bring him with us.
Trade, oo. Ite-trade yung hati nung meat doon sa medicine
You know, you
para
really
kay
shouldn't
Joel
be out here
ata.
all on your own.
I don't like company.
I see. What's your name?
Why?
Look, I understand it's not easy to trust a couple of strangers.
Oh, yung mukha niyan,
Whoever's
hindi
hurt,
ka
you clearly care about
katras-tras.
them. I'm sure it's gonna be just fine.
We'll see.
Feel ko may gagawin masama to si David. Oh, may clickers. baril pa din.
You had another gun?
Sorry. Hey, I'd really like my rifle back now.
No, you have your pistol.
Hope you
Kiss
know
na
how to
agad
use
si
that.
Joel. Hindi, makikita. Alam ko
Had some
buhay si
practice.
Joel. Buhay si Joel.
No matter what, we have to keep them out.
Buhay si Joel.
Let's hope they don't find
Promise.
him. Cover the windows.
Okay.
Paano kayo ka-cover? Tulak. Ang hirap tama nito. Hello? Hello? Ang hirap itama ng rifle. Pucha, patay.
Every shot counts.
Hoy, bilisan mo, pre! Punyeta, punyeta. Oh my god, mamamatay na ako. Wala na akong health, wala na akong health, wala na akong health. One hit, one hit. Boy, si Joel, zombie siya. Ain't no way.
You weren't kidding. You're a better shot with that thing than I am.
May medkit
Give me
ako.
a hand with this.
Medkit lang.
Come on.
Clicker na, no? Mag-heal na ako, pre. Teka lang, mag-heal na ako. Wow! Wow, 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 wow!
Don't let him come in through the windows. More infected on this side. This is a big pack. They must have followed you.
Maybe they followed you and your friend.
Doesn't matter. We're stuck in this together. Infected.
Ano ba to? Car 98? Wala, hindi namatay yun.
Go!
Sorry, sorry. Una muna ako.
I need your help.
Wait lang. Unahin ko muna yung sarili ko, ha. Sorry. Yo! Mamatay na talaga ako, promise. Ay, may bow pala ako. Yun, patay. Wait, pagka ba nakagat si Ellie, buhay pa din siya. Kasi di ba immune siya? May bow nga pala ako, akala ko rifle lang barrel ko. Pistol, wala akong
There's a
pistol.
whole lot of them coming at us.
Yeah, I see him.
Keep it up, kid.
Okay, yun. Hindi agad nakakapasok.
Got it.
So, kunwari, may ano ka kay hindi ka magana yun. Stop this. I'm dead. Ang hirap na ito, ah. Hoy, wag ka, baka ma-stuck pa ako dito. Pa-ending na. Pwede ba lumabas? Ang liit kasi ng
Oh, Lord,
area,
there's
eh.
a whole lot of them coming at us.
Yeah, I see him.
Ay, nako po. Namamatay ako agad. Ayaw pa lumabas ng bow. Okay. Shit! Kailangan ko, pagka yung clicker, kailangan barrel. Kasi pagka inano ko agad. Teka nga, reload ko muna to.
Oh, Lord, there's a whole lot of them coming
Ilang
at us.
babala na ito?
Yeah, I
Tatlo
see
lang.
him.
Wow. Wow! Ulit. Let's start encounter.
Cover the windows.
Okay.
Every shot counts.
Asintado.
I've done this before.
Baka lay yan.
Way to go, kid. They're in here.
Oh my God, lay! Ay, sige, suntukin mo. Go, go, go! Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan.
You weren't kidding. You're a better shot with that thing than I am.
Oh, come on.
May clicker dito, jump scare, di ba?
Coming through the windows.
Okay, we're doing good this time.
Way to go, kid.
Ay, kaso mawawalan ako ng bala. Hala ka! Ah! Saan nang galing yon? Oo, tiyana yan, oh. Don't tell me may i-stuck pa ako sa encounter na to. May mga loot ba dito?
Oh, Lord, there's a whole lot of them coming at us.
Yeah, I see him.
Free.
Nice going, kid.
Okay, yung clicker unahin ko agad. Yun na like, ang liit kasi ng knife mo, Ellie. Hindi pwede. Patay. Oh. Patay, pre. Ang onti ng bala! Hindi, onti na lang. Kaya to, kaya. Wag ka mapro-frustrate, Lay. Ito na ako eh. Ito na yung time na mapro-frustrate ako eh. Tapos matitilt na. Hindi, kaya to, kaya.
There's a whole lot of them coming at us.
Yeah, I see him.
Asan na ba?
Keep it up, kid.
Yung clicker kasi yung inaalala ko eh. Ayun kasi one hit eh pagka nalapitan ako. Okay, patay. Hit ako! Bro! Boy, tulungan mo ako, lalaki ka! Itama mo yung baril mo, please! Itama mo yung bala mo! Yan, sapakin mo, thank you! Wala nang bala?
Kid.
Medkit. Wala akong bala! Walang bala, walang bala. Hoy! Lalaki ka!
Screw it. We're getting out of this room.
Buti naman naisipan mo.
This way.
Buti naisipan mong umalis dito, ha?
Come on. I'll block their path. Cover the stairs.
Buti naisipan mo. Salamat, ha?
Follow me through here.
Okay. Do you know where you're going?
Never set foot in this place.
Oh, great.
Ay, wait. Kala Tommy to, ah.
It's clear.
Hindi ba ito yung
This way.
generator nila, Tommy?
How are you holding up?
You don't need to worry about me.
Alright. Stay close.
Grabe si Ellie. Ang galing ni Ellie. Isipin mo sa gantong age. Oh, whoa.
Hey
Nice
kid,
one.
you alright?
Kagaling.
I'm fine.
More clickers. Get out of there!
Well, kailangan ko ng bow dito. Oh my god. Bakit pa siya? Yan! Saksakin mo! Very nice. Ay, may pang-craft dito. Wait. Anong pwede ko i-craft? Wala. Molotov. Asan na ba yung lalaking yun? Iniwan ako. Alright, saan na ako pupunta? Ubus na. Na. Uy, may mga item pa. Dito ba? Ayun. Alright. Ramdam ko na yung ending. Ano, idiretso na ba sa ending ko?
You alright?
There you are.
Come on. Door's this way.
Let's go. Parang natatrust ko na siya onte. Kanina hindi ko trust yung pagmumukha niya eh.
That was so close. We need to get up there. There.
Trust ko na siya
That ladder
onte.
could work.
O paano aabutin yan? Abatuhin. Wow. Nice. Best puzzle gamer. Wala bang akyatan? Wow. Pwedeng ihagis mo na lang ako doon? Saan ba dadaan? Ito, sira ulo din to eh. Ito
Here.
pala.
Come here, boost me up.
Sira ulo din tong kasama ko ngayon eh. Tumama yun.
You be quick. You keep a lookout for those things.
I know.
Tumama yun. Anong... Wow, tumama. Totoo naman tumama ah. Dalulo lang kayo. Kasi yung game, suppose na... Ang suppose ng game na sinasabi niya na kailangan kong umakyat dito para ibaba yung hagdan. Kaya, nung tinamaan ko kanina, hindi siya gumalaw.
Alright.
Okay.
Here you go.
Come on. All right, look out.
Balita ko, lalaroin din ni Kuya Pat to ah. Yung The Last of Us. Ewan ko kung kailan. Pero lalaroin niya daw din to.
Need to find a way out of here.
Yeah, no shit.
Oo, ang dami namang ano dito gamit. May mangyayari ba?
Jeez. Looks like someone already fought those
Oh
things
my
in the
god,
woods.
ang daming gamit!
I'm looking for these boys.
Alam ko na to.
Doesn't matter.
I played this game
Grab the
before.
key. I'm gonna look for an exit.
I played this game before. Bakit
Keep your eyes open for
napakadaming
anything we
gamit?
can use.
Ano na lang, medkit na
See
lang.
anything?
It's a dead end. How on earth did they
Oh,
use this
gusto mo?
building?
So what do we do?
Bro, grabe yung gamit. Hello?
Is there any other choice?
We die.
Ito pa, oh. Ha? Napuno na yung gamit ko. Oh my goodness, bro. Gaano kalala to? Kung kalahati katawan gumagalaw. Kanina konti gamit, nagre-reklamo. Ngayon madami reklamo.
You hear that? They're on the roof.
I know.
Tumatamaan. Yan, kaya yan. I'll take care of myself. Okay, ang daming bala. Thank you.
We're doing fine, kid.
It doesn't feel like it.
Just stay focused. We'll make it.
Okay, lagay ulit tayo bomb doon. Sticky bomb. Wait, saan ba lalayas? Lalayas pa dito? Or mag-wait lang?
Here come more.
How many of these things are there?
I have no idea. Just keep at it.
Wow, ano yun? May sumabog. Sige, kaya niya na yan. Wala na. Stop, Laker.
To your right.
May buhay pa? Oh
That
no!
doesn't sound good.
It's a
Ito brick
bloater.
ko.
A what?
One of those big fucking guys.
Ito molotov. Ay, wow! Ba't tumatalikod ka, Ellie? Molotov, molotov. Patay.
The big guy's down.
Ba't sumisigaw pa din sila? Ay,
Yan.
Maui.
Yeah,
You know, I think we did it.
like we killed all of them?
Oh,
Grabe.
that sounds so disappointed.
More like disbelief.
I'll check the bridge.
Ox na, ox na.
Listen,
Oh my god, natapos din.
No infected.
no infected. What'd I tell you? All right, let's head on back. Check on that buck of ours. Well, you handled yourself pretty nice back there. Whew. I'd say we make a pretty good team.
We got lucky.
Lucky. No, no. No such thing as luck. Now, you see, I believe that everything happens for a reason.
Sure.
I do. And I can prove it to you. Now, this winter, that's been especially cruel. A few weeks back, I sent a group of men out to a nearby town to look for food. Only a few came back. They said that the others had been slaughtered by a crazy man. And get this, he's a crazy man traveling with a little girl.
Wait, si Joel yung...
Everything happens for a reason. Don't get upset. It's not your fault.
Si Joel yung minimin niya.
You're just a kid. James, lower the gun.
No way, David. I'm not gonna let her go.
Lower the gun. Now give her the medicine.
The others won't be happy about this.
Yeah, well, that's not your concern.
Move the fuck out of the way.
You won't survive long out there. I can protect you.
No, thanks.
Okay, that happens. So yung group of people na yun, ayun yung pinagpapatay natin kanina.
Let's get out of here.
Andito si Joel. Andito si Joel. Please, please Joel.
Come on.
Nagtampo na si Yuna. Umalis ng stream ko. Akala niya patay si Joel. Ayun! Nakahiga. Iyan! May sakit. May sakit si
I
Joel.
only managed to get a little bit of food. But I did get this. Move your arm.
Oh my god. May tahi.
Here we go.
Oh my god. Ow!
Sorry.
Aray.
Well done. That's it. You're gonna make it.
May lagnat pa. Oo. Paanong hala? Bakit hala? Oh! Nasundan sila?
Fuck. They tracked me. I'm gonna draw them away from here. I'll come back for you. Easy. Go. Come on.
Are we even sure she's here?
Yeah, more horse tracks down the fucking street. She's here.
Huwag kang makikita, never mind!
Get your ass over here!
Oh!
What are you waiting for? Shoot her!
But David said.
Fuck David!
No!
Shoot her now!
Go, go!
Giddy up!
Oh my god, bro.
Aim for the horse! Oh, gotcha!
Malis ka! Go away!
What the hell do they want?
Dito.
Over here!
Get away! Shoot the fucking horse!
Ang dami nila, what the hell? Na-jinx mo, Ate Nomi. I mean, binaril yung kabayo. Hindi siya natisod.
Oh man.
No! Takbo! Takbo, pre!
Where is he?
Bye-bye! Naubusin kayo ni Ellie, pre. Promise, uubusin kayo ng batang to.
David said he wants her alive. He doesn't get to make that call. James told me it's the girl from the university. How many of our guys were killed there?
Oh,
Bawal lang mag-stealth kill kay
It's
Ellie.
her.
No?
screw David then. I ain't taking a chance with this.
May arrows dun sa
Just wanna
labas.
finish up and go. Freezing my ass.
Wait, ang dami na nila. Hindi ko napansin.
Hell are you?
Ano ba to? Papatayin ko o tatakas ako? O parehas?
She's here! She
Nakita ko.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay, go!
Watch my back.
She's over there! Behind that boat!
Hindi natamaan. Wait. Hi, Ryza. Wait lang. Give me that shotgun. Oh. Ah! Pwede ba kayo kasaksakin? Oh my god. Nadapa si Ellie. Shh, hindi ko pwede gawin yung katulad nung ginagawa kay Joel na pagkabato tapos na hindi pwede kay Ellie. Ayun, molotov. Ilan ba sila? Hindi ko sila makita, oh.
Where'd they go?
She's not over here!
Pwede mo mag-stealth kill si Ellie? Wait nga, try nga natin. Paano ako mag-stealth kill? Nakita na ako dito.
You little girl.
pwede. Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede! Joke lang! Aray ko, ang sakit nun. Naramdaman ko yun. Sakit nun. Masakit yun. Sakit yun. Naramdaman ko.
Inside that cabin.
Uy.
Okay. Where do I go?
Takban na nga ako. Nakala kayo.
Okay, go.
Saan ba ako tatakbo? Hindi ko alam kung ano. Nagre-reload. Okay. Just run.
Nature track. Okay. That should get me out of here.
Huh? Hindi deserve ni Ellie yung ganyan childhood. Yeah, nakikipagpatayan agad siya. Saan pupunta ko? Is it here? Or sa gilid? Wala eh, lumaki siya sa ano eh. Sa apocalyptic thing eh. I'm out. Bye, Jai. Good night. Wala nang kalaban. Nabala. Tingnan mo, sa gantong age, ang dami niya nang napapatay. Nature truck. Okay, how do I open this thing?
Here we go. Okay. Don't fall in the water. Don't fall in. Oh, shit.
Never mind, di ko kailangang i-open. May jumpscare to. Alam ko na to. Wah! May kaganan dyan. Tika pa. Ay, wala. Okay. Pero grabe, no? Sa gantong age, 13?
This damn thing is blocking
Ay.
me.
13 ba? 13 ba si Ellie? 14? Marunong siyang, gumamit ng baril?
Here we go. Jeez.
Alright.
That's the way back. Hang in there, Joel.
Wow! Ano yun? Nagbag pa onte ah. Pero sige. Ay wait, may kalaban.
Cover the ground! I'm sure she's not hiding somewhere over here.
Pwede ko pa i-molotov tong mga to. Dikit-dikit eh. May isa lang natamaan doon.
Yeah.
Never mind, kita ko dito.
Piece of shit.
Pwede ba yung ginagawa ko niya? Ayun, pwede. Wow, 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 Ellie. Grabe yung ginagawa ni Ellie. Grabe yun. Alright. Where am I going next? Madami pa bang papatayin si Ed? Ayun. Ending na ba to? Hindi ko pa sure kung ending na. Like, ending na ba? Or,
I don't
ano?
want to get trapped in here.
Parang hindi pa siya ending eh. Is it ending? No.
On this side of the lodge!
Talaga ba?
I got her!
Oh my god, there's a lot of people here.
Cover me, I'm moving up!
Nasaan yung bote ko?
Got you now!
Sakit talaga nun. Ramdam ko yung sakit. Oh no. Ayun na nga, nabot. Ang hirap. Visit.
Here's the end!
Don't lose her!
Pero ang ganda ng gun mechanics dito, do. Na-appreciate ko yung gun mechanics dito. Ang ganda.
There's the exit.
Okay, exit. Sige na, tulak mo na. Mabilisan lang eh. No way!
Relax! Keeping you alive here. Oh, no. There you go. There you go.
Ha? Ano yung chinachap-chap niya? Tao! Cannibals! Kakainin nila si Ellie? Eh, no way.
How are you feeling?
Super.
Here. You should eat.
Pakainin nyo pa ng tao si Ellie?
I know you're hungry. Been out for quite some time.
What is it?
It's deer.
Dear?
With some human helping on the side?
No. No, I promise. It's just the deer meat.
Yo!
You're a fucking animal.
Ha! 5 gifted!
It's awfully quick to judgment.
What? Hello! Thank you sa 5 gifted. What? Magulat ako dun ah. Wow, thank you sa 5 gifted, RGG. What? Thank you very much. Magulat ako sa 5 gifted
Considering you
mo
and
ah.
your friend killed how many men?
Thank you.
They didn't give us a choice.
And you think we have a choice? Is that it? You kill to survive. And so do we. We have to take care of
Ang
our
daming
own.
nakasalunod.
By any means necessary.
Tapos ngayon ka lang din nag-follow. So kaka-follow
now
mo
what?
lang sa akin, nag-gifted sub ka ng 5.
You
That's
chop
so
me up into
cool.
tiny pieces.
Thank you.
I'd rather not.
Tapos nag-hype train pa, level 2 agad.
Please tell me your name.
You're so full of shit.
On the contrary, I've been,
Yun na, boy,
honest.
si Joel.
now I
Wait,
think it's your turn.
Tumor for hype train? Ata.
It's the only way I'm gonna be able to
Level
convince the
ano na
others
siya ngayon eh, level 2.
Convince them of what?
that you can come around. You have heart. You're loyal. And you're special.
No way! No! Huwag mong gagawin kay Ellie yan. Kaya pala sinisave niya si Ellie. Yan! Ano ka? Kunin mo, susi! Yan! Kunin mo! Kunin mo!
You stupid little girl.
Binali niya yung daliri.
You are making it very difficult to keep you alive.
Ano siya? Anong tawag
What am I
doon?
supposed to tell the others now?
Nakalimutan ko yung term.
Ellie,
Yung
What?
tell them
yung
that
gusto niya sa bata.
Ellie is the little girl that broke your fucking finger.
How did you put it? Tiny pieces.
Tiny pieces.
See you in the morning, Ellie.
Anong tawag doon? Yun, speechless. Yun, ganun siya. Tapos at the same time, cannibal din siya. Ayan na yung dragon! Ayan na yung dragon, nagising na.
Ellie.
Yo! Thank you ulit! The gifted sub!
Ellie?
Oh my god! Ito yung record ng hype train. Hey, yo! W! Thank you din sa sub! Hey! It's raiding! Ang daming ang daming gifted! Thank you! Oh my god! Ngayon lang, ito yung pinakamataas na ano ko, na hype train ko. Level 3. Ngayon lang umabot ng level 3 yung hype train ko. To be honest, level 1 nga lang yung hype train ko eh. Or, nung birthday ko ata, umabot siya ng level 2. So, WRGG though. Ito na yung dragon, nagising na. W. Thank you ulit. Thank you. Ilan subs yan? 8? Almost 8? W streamer. Thank you. Ito na yung dragon. Yari na kayo. Nagluto ko midnight snack. Di ko nakita paano bumangon si Jovel. Wala, nagising lang. Nag-hit up na ata yung ano. Nag-hit up na... Umeffect na ata yung antibiotics? Question mark. Oh, ngayon isa-save ni Joel si Ellie.
Ellie!
Ayan na. Ellie!
Where'd she run off to?
Ito na yung dragon, pre. Ito na yung dragon. Naganon si Joel. Oh! Wow!
He's over there!
Ah, wait. May kipagbarilan na naman ako. Kakagising lang neto.
Don't let him get you!
Kakagising lang neto partida. Ano nangyari kay Ellie? Kinulong. Kinulong ni David. Isa siyang masamang tao.
Where is she? One way or another, you're gonna tell me!
Mabibinat. Mabibinat nga si Joel. Settling a new record. Ayan o, new record yung nakalagay. Level 3 hype train. Hindi. Baka si Joel to. Hindi mabibinat to. Kaya niya to. Asan na sila? Wala na. Hi, Ashi. Boy, si Joel Pards. Hindi tumama.
Oh, I got you now.
No. Find out.
Hindi, wait lang. Uy, may axe dito. Miss mo na ba ako? Gawan mo na uli ako emoji, bili. I-scam na uli kita, Ashi. Baka isang ano lang, isang emoji lang. Biglang ganun eh, no? Teka. Lock in, lock in, lock in. Yo! Art! Hello! Another 5! Ah! Ano na niya? Ah! Ano nangyayari? Ang dami gifted sub! Thank you, Art! Double, ano nangyayari? Matadami niya na binigay! Wait lang, lock in. Papatayin ko to lahat dahil sa inyo. Dahil nag-gift kayo, papatayin ko to. Level 4! Oh my God! Ah! Anong nangyayari? Wait! Hindi nagpa-function yung utak ko. What is happening? What is happening? Hindi nagpa-function yung utak ko. Wait! What is this? Hindi naman ako nananaginip, di ba? Level 5 na hype train? Oh my God! Thank you so much! Ang dami nakasunod ng sub! Ayan pa, si Yan pa, mga nakalurk. Oh, tapos isang follow na lang. Ano na ako? 500 na! Oh my God. Hindi nagpa-function yung utak ko. Really. Ay, bawal dumaan dito. May bob wires. Kahit yung mga hindi na follower. Wait, pwede ba yon? Like, hindi follower, pero nakakakuha ng sub? Akala ko yung gifted sub, ano lang siya. What do you call this? Pag, ano lang, pag sa mga follower. Ayaw na tumama. Bilis nun, 500 na. Kaya nga eh. Yung mga days na molotov ko to. Teka. Wait, asan na sila? Ah, may isa pa dito. Pwede pala yun na... Oh, saan ako nakita nun? Wait. Lock in. Ay, wait, may ano ko pistol. Ayun. Dami ko nga palang barrel, I forgot. Ang saya pala ng mga goals na ganyan. Yeah! Tingnan nyo, tuwang-tuwa sila kay Leirin. Gulat ka ah. Bro, nagulat ako ah. Ang daming... First time yung ano, yung... Oh my God. Hindi ko ine-expect na aabot ako ng level 5 na ano, na hype train. Sobrang tagal mong nawala. Busy kayo mag-Among Us. Oh my God. Tapos sakto pa, malapit na sa ending to. Wait, saan na ba ako? Ito na, nagagalit na yung dragon eh. Pero wala na naman akong bala. Wop!
Gotcha, asshole.
Wap, 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 wap. F, F, F.
Oh, shit!
2v1, 2v1. Partida, may sakit pa yan. May sakit pa yan. May sakit yan. Oh. Ano ginawa? Oh. Oh. Sige. Oh. Pucha, binugbog. Binugbog.
You wait here.
Naging number 1 siya agad sa
Yeah.
top gifters ko.
The girl. Is she alive?
What girl?
What?
I don't know no girl.
Focus right here, right here. I'll pop your goddamn knee off. The girl.
She's alive. She's David's newest pet.
Where?
Ang sakit ko, pre!
Now you're gonna mark it on the map. And it better be the same exact spot your buddy points to. Mark it.
It's right there. You can verify it. Go ask him. Go on. I tell you, I ain't lying. I ain't.
Oh! Ay, Marushi. Ay! Pinatay niya.
Fuck you, man. He told you what you wanted. I ain't telling you shit.
That's all right. I believe him.
No, wait!
Oh my God! Nakuha niya yung location ni Ellie dahil doon.
Come on.
Let's go! Stop!
17 subs in 1 day? Kaya nga eh. Hey yo, kakainin nila si Ellie! Pre!
I warned you.
No, 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 no.
I'm infected!
Oh!
I'm infected!
Really?
So are you.
Ang daming nangyayari, pati
There.
sa game, ang daming
Roll
nangyayari sa
on the sleeve.
stream.
Look at it!
Oh. Ayun, nakita yung bite mark niya.
What'd you say? Everything happens for a reason, right?
What the hell is that?
She would have turned by now. It can't be real.
Looks pretty fucking real to me.
Ang daming nangyayari. Hindi nagpa-function yung utak ko. Ayo, ayun, knife. Go, go, go. Wait, am I playing? Oh man, I'm playing.
Shit.
I'm playing as Ellie again.
These people.
Where you going, Ellie?
I need a gun.
Oh my God. Paano to? Knife lang yung... wala pa akong baril?
Infected. What? The girl. She's infected. She got out.
This is bad, David.
I need you to round up everyone who isn't armed. Get them clear out of here. Find her. Kill her. Go.
Oh, fuck.
Tired of this shit. Cross the line is time.
Saan yung baril? Saan baril ko?
You told Jim enough. This girl killed our men. Now she's infected.
Let's clean this mess up, then we can have a town meeting.
Saan baril
Put his
ko?
leadership up to a vote.
Saan baril ko? Saan baril ko, pre? Paano to? Pwede ba ako mag-stealth kill? Wait, let's try to stealth kill. Kung kaya. Hop. Can I stealth kill with Ellie? Oh yeah. Ano, maingay? Ito bote oh. Uy, hindi to mama. Ito baril. Ah! May baril na ako!
You're gonna pay for this, you little shit.
Oh my God, grabe si Ellie. Okay. Grabe. Ellie. Lumaking ganto si Ellie. Okay, saan na ako tatakbo? I need to get out. Go, 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 go.
Which way? Which way?
Not over here! Hey, still here! Not gonna pay!
Wala akong bala! Wala akong bala! Hindi may bala. Ang galing nga ni Ellie. Like, asan ba siya? Hindi ko siya makita. Ayun. May medkit ba ako? Wala akong medkit.
This place is a damn maze.
Woo! Oh my god, hindi pa din nagpa-function yung hype train na level 5. Nasa isip ko pa din siya. Level 5 na 20%, almost 20%.
I'm saying we can have a real situation here. We already
Di ba
have a
grabe?
situation. We're gonna take care of it. Stay focused.
Tapos wala pa akong event niyan, hindi ako nagpa-sub goal. What happening? What's happening?
She's in here!
What is hype train? So yung hype train na ano lang siya, pagka madaming nagi-gift at the same time may parang kunwari in this specific time na pagka may nag-gift ng ganto kadami dapat susundan ng sunod-sunod. So ano nangyari doon kanina, sunod-sunod na 17 subs. So kaya nag-level 5 yung hype train. The more na mag-donate, the more na mag-sub, the more na tataas yung level. So yung pinakamataas kong hype train is level 5. And na-reach yun ngayon gabi.
It's so damn cold.
Alright. Whew. Yung subscriber ko ngayon 30 oh. Oh my god, I have 30 active subscriber. Saan ako tatakbo? Alright. Okay, ano na to? Takas na takas. Takas. Oh!
You're easy to track. How did you do it?
That's alright.
Ilang percent
Nowhere to
nakukuha
go.
ko? Ano ata?
You want out?
45%?
I have to come get these keys.
Nasa kanya yung susi. Paano to? Random ba yung gift sub? Random yun. 5. Wait, paano ko siya papatayin?
I know you're not infected.
Yeah! Patay! Basic! Oh, never mind.
That was good, kid. It's gonna be alright.
Di dapat mag-claim. Oo, ganun. Exclamation mark claim para makuha mo yung sub pagka may nag-gift. Ay! May itak siya, pre! May itak siya! Hindi totoo yun, Ate Nomi. Yung exclamation mark claim. Yay! Still. Paano ko aanuhin to? Punyetak. Putaguan. Paano? Wala akong anything in the world, in the anything is may bote ba? Bote, brick, bote, brick. Where's bote, brick? Ayun. Medkit to eh. Medkit to eh. Ano? Ah! Takbo. Wait, asan ba yung... Wait, i-start ko lang ba siya? Paano ko aanayin to? Lilikodan ko lang siya? Ayun. Wadya! Ayun! Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, that animation! Hindi ko
You know,
nga
you
alam
keep
paano
surprising
eh.
me. It's a shame you wouldn't come around,
Lilikodan ko siya.
but it's too late.
Tatry ko.
Hello, Ellie.
Mabagal ka, matanda ka, matanda ka.
Ellie, let's just end this.
Oh my god, nakaapak ako ng babasagin.
Nice.
Ano yun, nasusunog na? Hindi ko siya nakikita sa listen mode. Asan na siya? Saan siya? Ba't ako yung tinakbuhan niya? Parang nasaktan ako sa matanda, sorry. Ayun siya oh! Ayun siya oh! Paano ko aanayin yun? Ba't ako yung tinatago? Ay, nawala! Ha? Ayun siya.
Whoa!
Yeah!
Don't you want this to end? Whoops. Ah, the art of distraction.
Ay, what? Aha! Nag-teleport! Asan yun? What? Nawala bigla! Ay, to.